Intuition is something that just feels right. It feels like home. And like anything else that requires practice, the more you use it, the more familiar you become with the language of intuition, which is ultimately the spiritual language of your soul guiding you. When you trust in the process, you allow the intangible to guide you, to lead you step by step on your journey. Faith is a practice built upon a strong relationship with your true self, your inner self, that place where God silently dwells. When you really know who you are, it becomes impossible to not have faith. When you finally accept your divine source, how could you not trust Him? When you finally have the knowledge, you will be set free. This book is about the power to be gained through knowledge and faith. The power given by faith is continuous, whereas the power given by knowledge is disjointed. Knowledge combined with faith gives us security. Faith combined with and derived from knowledge provides us with the three things we need most: a spiritual interpretation of the world in which we live, a spiritual emancipation from that world, a grounded belief that God is directing our spiritual evolution.